For this teacher video, I decided to do 14-3A number 27, and it says, a farmer with a square plot of land, an irrigation system can be installed with the option of one large circular sprinkler or nine small sprinklers as shown. The farmer wants to know which plan will provide water to the greater percentage of land in the field regardless of cost and watering pattern. So which advice would you give? And here are the pictures. Picture A is just one large sprinkler, and picture B has multiple little sprinklers. So the approach that I would take is, first of all, I would use S for the square field. So therefore, if you want to find the area of the square field, you need to use S squared for the area. So then there's an equation. So what I would do here is write S squared minus half of S squared pi. Therefore, when we distribute this square, you get S squared minus 1/4 S squared pi. So this is for the big circle field. This is the equation. This is the equation when simplified. This is what you get for the big circle field. Then when you move on to part B, there are multiple circles. So then you need, since it's a 3x3, I would use 1/3 S, and so the radius, that's the diameter, and so the radius is half of that, so the radius equals 1/6 S. So the equation that you use is 1/3 S, then you have to square it, minus the radius, which is 1/6 S. You also have to square that one, and then you tack on pi at the end. So when simplified, you get 1/9, because squared this, you get 1/9 S squared minus 1/36 S squared pi. Then, because there are 9 little circles, you have to multiply this whole equation by 9. And when you are done with that, you get S squared minus 1/4 S squared pi. And this is also the simplified version of the 9 small circular sprinklers. So therefore, when you're done with these equations and you look at them and you compare, you will see that each equation has an S squared, the minus sign, 1/4 S squared, and pi. So therefore, both of them will cover the same amount and same percentage. So therefore, it doesn't matter which one the farmer chooses because they're both going to give you the same result in the end.